Hello friends, here I am with new video regarding registration process for COVID-19 vaccination. As you know, the vaccination process has been rolled out from 16th of January, and in order to register and track the vaccination process, government has selected CoWin app. I will explain you the step-by-step process for registration and vaccination. So first step is to register on the CoWin app. To do so, you need to go to Google Play and download CoWin app, and then register using valid proof of identity. On successful registration, you will receive an SMS with date, time, and place of vaccination center. The next step is to reach to the vaccination site, show the SMS that you have received. Third step will be the officer at vaccination center will verify the identification document. You will scan the document and upload it to the CoWin app, and there will be OTP based confirmation or verification. So on successful verification process, you will be given the first dose of vaccine, and the details will be updated in CoWin app. Then within 28 days of first dose, you will receive second SMS for getting the second dose of COVID-19 vaccine. Second dose is mandatory in order to get immune to the COVID-19 disease. So this was the procedure for registration and vaccination for the COVID-19 vaccine. However, just keep in mind, the registration to the CoWin app is not required for everyone. This registration is only required for people who are 50 years and above of age, and they have any diseases such as diabetes or hypertension or any other disease. Only such people need to register on CoWin app so that they can be vaccinated in phase 2 and phase 3 of vaccination process. So this was today's video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.